Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So today we are making something sweet for both fit farm and the regular people like me. We are making banana oat bread. This is so easy to make and also very delicious. Just follow this recipe, you won't have a problem. So let's get started. So to make our healthy banana oat bread, we're going to be using four major ingredients. So here we have our rolled oats. You can use any oats. You can use the quick cooking oats or any other oat you have. We have our bananas, our ripe, well-ripe bananas, the eggs, and the honey for sweetener. And then we're also going to be adding, I said four menu, so these are the one we're adding to it now. I'll be adding a little bit of salt and then baking soda to help the rising of the bread. Making this bread is not going to take time. All we're going to do is to throw everything into the blender and blend. I'm using five medium-sized bananas, but if you have two big bananas, they're okay for this because I'm making 2 cups of oats. I'm using 2 cups of rolled oats. So, but the bananas I have in the house is small sizes, so I'm using five. You can use two or three. I'm also adding 3 eggs here because the eggs are not big. So if you have big eggs, big sized eggs, you can use only two. I'm using three because they are of medium sizes. And for sweetener, I'll be using about a quarter cup of honey. You can add more if you prefer it very sweet. And next is the oats. I'm using 2 cups, like I said earlier on.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze.
I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a tablespoon of baking soda. You can also use baking powder for this. And lastly, I'll be adding half cup of soya milk. Sorry, I didn't mention this at the beginning, but I need this to help my blender and also add more flavor and texture to the bread. I have the video of how I made this soya milk in my channel. Just click after watching this to watch it. Thank you. So we go ahead and blend it. Note, I did not add butter or oil to this, but you can add if you want
Sounds in
to.
harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew.
Blend everything until smooth, then transfer into your baking pan or your bread pan. Simple. So here I have my bread pan which I've greased with some oil. I'll transfer this into it and then bake. Transfer to my oven and bake for about 50 to 60 minutes.
Warmth in every melody flows through.
And after 60 minutes in the oven, our oat banana bread is ready. I baked this at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes and then I reduced it to 150 degrees Celsius and baked for another 20 minutes. And here we have our delicious and soft, moist oat banana bread. Before taking the bread out from the pan, be sure that it has cooled down very well. If not, it's gonna scatter. So when it has cooled down, take it out from the pan and then slice it and enjoy with a cup of tea, a cup of green tea, a cup of milk, a cup of juice, a cup of any drink you like, and enjoy. I hope you'll be giving this a try, especially if you're trying to lose weight or if you're watching your weight or if you're trying to cut out from carb or carbohydrate foods or starchy foods. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found.